How to use the gift card on the Panera app. I am going to show you how you can use the gift card on the Panera app. To use the gift card on the mobile or desktop, follow the steps. During checkout, select Add a Gift or Bonus Card, Virtual Event Code. Enter your gift card code and PIN, then click Add your card. Your gift card balance will be applied to your order total. Open the app, sign up or sign in to a My Panera account. Tap the Tab button and select Profile and Settings. Select Payment and Gift Cards and tap Add Gift or Bonus Card. Enter your gift card code and PIN, then tap Save. In store, show your gift card to the cashier and allow them to scan it. If scanner issues arise, instruct them to enter the digits manually. To check your balance in mobile or desktop, enter your gift card code and PIN here, then select Check Balance. Your current gift card balance will be displayed. If your gift card does not have a PIN, please visit your local bakery or cafe and an associate will be happy to check the balance at the register. For Canadian gift cards, check your balance at any Panera Bread Bakery Cafe in Canada. In app, tap the Tap button. Tap Profile and Settings and select Payment and Gift Card. Under Gift Cards, the remaining balance of your gift card will be displayed. In store a present gift card to the cashier. Ask the cashier to check its balance. If scanner issues arise, instruct them to enter the code manually.